Hello students, in our previous lecture we studied warming up activities. Now today we are going to study the poem 1.1 A Time to Believe. See, first stanza. To believe is to know that every day is a new beginning, is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. So here in this poem we are going to study the power of belief. Belief is the verb form and belief is the noun form of that. So believe, it means what? So believe is to know that every day is a new beginning. We have to consider that every day is a new beginning. Whatever happened yesterday, that was a good or a bad, so we have to just forget about it, but we have to think about the new day. If something wrong happens with us, but on the next day it's not going to be repeated, because every day is a new beginning. Then is to trust that miracles happen and dreams really do come true. So we have to believe that miracles happen, and whatever dreams we have, those dreams really do come true. Our dreams will be definitely reality, it will definitely come true. We have to just believe. Miracles also can happen, at the same time our dreams also can come true, but we have to believe. Then come to the next second stanza. To believe is to see the angels dancing among the clouds, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and wisdom of the man in the moon. So to believe is what? We have to believe that angel is dancing among the cloud. So this is the power of belief. So we have to believe here one thing, that angels are dancing in the clouds. The kind of things are magical things are happening there in the clouds or in the sky, that are mentioned here. Now see, to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. See, stardust, it means meaning is already given, having a magical quality. So if we believe, so then we will be imagining angels are dancing among the clouds. That's the power of belief. Then belief is to know the wonder of a stardust sky and the wisdom of the man in the moon. So it is said here there is one man in the moon. So the kind of wisdom is there, that wisdom also we will come to know. The wisdom that man possesses, that also we will come to know. So for that purpose what we have to do, we have to just believe, and due to that only we will just come to know the wonder of a stardust sky, and at the same time wisdom of the man in the moon. The man who is there in the moon, his wisdom also we will come to know, and then the kind of wonders things are there in the sky, those things also you will come to know. The kind of things happen there, like angels dances there in the clouds, then at the same time the kind of wonders are there, everything you will come to know if you believe. So that's why we have to believe first. If we believe, this thing will be the reality. Then come to the next. To believe is to know the value of a nurturing heart, the innocence of a child's eyes, and the beauty of an aging hand. For it is through their teachings we learn to love. Here, what we have to believe? See, we learn to love from all these different things. So first of all, we have to believe. We have to believe to know the value of nurturing hearts. Nurturing heart, it means what? Providing nourishment. See, meaning is already given. Then care and protection, in that way we say. Like our parents, they nurture us. It means they provide us everything. So believe is to know the value of nurturing heart. Then again, innocence of child's eyes. So children are there, they are so much innocent. So the kind of innocence is there in that eyes, that also you will come to know if you believe. So belief is the first thing that you should have, that power of belief. Then you will come to know about the innocence of the child's eyes. Then again, and the beauty of an aging hand. Aging hand, it means like simply we can say old age people, or the people those who grow old, they are known as aging people, age people. So the beauty of aging hand, beauty of aging hand, it means these hands really they care for us, they take care so much of us. And then we have to just see that beauty of aging hand. Then for it is through their teaching, see we learn these different things, like it means innocence of child size, that also we learn. If we believe, then only we will come to know, or we will know the innocence of child size. Then again, beauty of the aging hand also we will come to know if we believe. So that's why believing is very much important. If you believe, only then and then you will come to know these all the thing. Then for it is through their teaching, because whatever they teach us, even innocence also teach us so much. At the same time, aging people, it means aged people like our grandparents, they also teach us so much. And they teach us one thing, we learn to love from them. As the way they love us, in return also we have to give them same kind of love. As a result of that, everywhere love will be spread and everybody will be living a happy life. To believe is to find the strength and the courage that lies within us when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. So believe is what? We have to believe. We have to believe here, and we have to find the strength and courage that lies within us. Sometimes we may face difficult situation, or there are so many problems in our life. So we feel so much difficult situation at that time, or we feel like there is nobody with us. At that time we have to find the strength and courage. Actually, see, it is said here, those both of the things, it means strength also and courage also, these things lies within us only. We don't need to find it anywhere. Already God has gifted us strength also and courage also, but we have to just find it. If we believe in ourselves, only then and then we will be able to find it. Then when it is time to pick up the pieces and begin again. So when there is time, or wherever these kind of situations are there, when we feel so much difficult situation, or there are so many problems in our life, at that time we have to just pick strength and courage that is already there within us. So we have to just pick it up, and we have to just use that strength, that courage for solving our problem, and then we have to begin it again. We have to start it with new end. We should not be waiting for anybody, because strength and courage already we have, so we can start a new thing with that. Then to believe is to know we are never alone, that life is a gift, and this is our time to cherish it. So what we have to believe? We have to believe to know we are never alone. We must tell ourselves like we are not alone. Then see, life is a gift, and this is our time to cherish it. Cherish it means what? Like the thing which we have, so we have to really enjoy it, and it has really great value. So we have to cherish it, we have to enjoy it. So we have to believe that we are never alone. Always there is somebody. Even we must say God is there always with us. Then that life is a gift, the thing precious or valuable gift we got, that's a life. And then now this is our time to enjoy it, or this is our time to give importance to it. To believe is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach, if only we believe. See, this is the poem. Here in this poem, we are just going to see the power of imagination also, and power of our belief. So, belief is what here? Belief is to know that wonderful surprises are just waiting to happen. Sometimes we are so much nervous. Sometimes we feel like all the wrong things are happening with me only. So at that time you have to just feel there are wonderful surprises which are just waiting to happen. We have to just wait for some time, and after that we are going to get wonderful surprises. Then, and all our hopes and dreams are within reach. Within reach, it means definitely we are going to achieve it. We shouldn't think those dreams and hopes are out of reach. It is in our reach. But when, if we believe, only then and then it's in our reach. If only we believe. So that's why believing is very much important in our life. We should not be nervous. And then it's our first poem. So in first poem only, this kind of inspirational quotes, this kind of inspirational lines are given. So you can use those lines for, like, sometime you feel so much nervous, or you feel so much depressed. At that time you just think there are wonderful surprises in my life also which are going to happen, but I have to wait for some time, and definitely my day will be there. And then whatever dreams and hopes I have, those things are not out of reach. Oh, everything is there in my reach. But when, if I believe. Okay, thank you very much. Now you will have to do the next given activities.